Do you know everything that you need to be looking for when planning for your loved one with special needs? Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to ensure that you are on the right track when putting together your special needs plan. Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and for the best information on special needs planning, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notifications bell so that you are alerted every time that I post a new video. All right, so tip number 1. Do not disinherit your family member with special needs. This was an aged approach that people used to ensure that their loved one was able to receive government benefits, but it's completely unnecessary these days. What you might want to consider is allocating those assets to a third-party special needs trust, ensuring that your child gets the benefit of that while also receiving those government benefits. Tip number 2, prepare a letter of intent. Now, this is a document that details day-to-day activities, likes and dislikes, and other critical information about your child, because someday there may be a difficult transition from one caregiver to another. And this document can just help to make that transition just a little bit more seamless. Tip number 3. Choose the trustee of the special needs trust very carefully. Incredible care needs to be taken when choosing the trustee of the special needs trust. This person is going to have sole and absolute discretion of the trust. So they need to make sure that they are staying current on rules that are required so that the beneficiary always stays eligible for the benefits that they require, such as SSI or Medicaid. Now, some people may want to name a family member as the trustee, but that just needs to be carefully thought over. Some people like to name a professional as the trustee just so that they can avoid any sort of family conflicts. To learn more about special needs trusts, make sure that you check out my video, Special Needs Trust Basics, after this video to determine which might be most appropriate for you. The description is in the link below. Tip number 4, consider using life insurance to fund your special needs trust. Life insurance can be a great way to fund it, while retirement plans and IRAs they have required minimum distributions that could negatively impact means-tested public benefits. Also, if retirement plan benefits are paid to the special needs trust, that could trigger income tax liability that would reduce the amount available to your child. Tip number 5, review all the titling and beneficiary designations of your assets. It is essential that no assets inadvertently get passed directly to your child with special needs that could harm them from receiving the public benefits that are necessary. And this would also be a good time to talk to your family members about this. Many times, grandparents, aunts and uncles, siblings, they think that they're doing your child a service by passing on assets to them, while they could actually be derailing the plan that you've put together for the benefit of your child with special needs. I hope you found this information helpful. And while there are some general basics when it comes to special needs planning, we need to remember that every family situation is a little bit different. So you need to speak to an advisor who specializes in special needs planning to get a more individualized approach. Now, if you liked this information, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified anytime that I post a new video, and please share it with a friend. Also, if you liked what you saw today, make sure that you click on the link below to become a client so that we can start coordinating your overarching financial strategy with your special needs plan. Because remember, planning for your loved one's future today makes for a confident tomorrow.